Welcome Blue-Orange Techies to the magical world of Salesforce. Today we're diving into one of Salesforce's most powerful spells, formula fields. Imagine being able to calculate, transform, and reveal data with just a wave of your magic wand. Let's uncover the magic behind formula fields. What is a formula field in Salesforce? A formula field in Salesforce is like having a smart calculator right inside your database. It automatically works out values based on other information you've got stored. Say you're selling wizard hats. A formula field can instantly calculate the total price by multiplying the quantity by the price per hat, without you doing anything. Why do we use formula fields? Why are these fields so magical? Because they save us time and keep our data accurate. Instead of pulling out a calculator every time you need to update numbers, a formula field does it all in the blink of an eye. For instance, keeping track of a sales target is easier when a formula field automatically updates your progress. Let's say you're running a lemonade stand. You have a goal to sell 100 cups a day. With a formula field, you can see how close you are to that goal in real time, just by entering how many cups you've sold. It's like watching the magic happen as your sales bar fills up without any extra work. How to create formula fields in Salesforce step by step. Step 1. Choose your object first. Let's pick where to cast our spell. Navigate to Object Manager and select an object. Think of opportunities as our magical book where we'll add our new spell. Step 2. Create new field now. Find fields and relationships and click New. It's like choosing a new spell to learn. Step 3. Selecting field type. When asked for the type of field, select Formula. It's the magic wand in our arsenal of tools. Step 4. Configuring the formula. Here's where the magic happens. You'll be given a formula editor, a magical book where you write your spell. For our lemonade stand, we might write a simple spell, quantity * price, to calculate total sales. Step 6. Field level security and adding to layouts. Almost done. Now choose who in your team can see this magic and where it should appear in your book. This way, only the right eyes see the magic, and it's always where you need it. Step 7. Save and test your formula. With a wave of our wand, or a click of the Save button, our spell is cast. Test it by entering some data and watch as the formula works its magic, instantly calculating what you need to know. And just like that, Blue-Orange Techies, you've mastered Salesforce formula fields. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. If this guide was helpful, why not give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials? This is Naveen signing off. Until next time, keep innovating and building with Salesforce.